This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor on Thursday, June 25th. Micron can't save the Mag 7. That was the story for the day. Bitcoin under 60K. That is also a big headline and performance metric. Micron was all over the map. It was up 20% at the open. It lost half of those gains, went down to only up 9%, but closed the day up 15% after earnings yesterday. If you take a look at the Mag 7, every single one closed in the red today. That does not exude confidence, nor is that an easy feat. You and I are not going to be able to do that with our pocketbooks. That was institutional selling. To give you some flavor, Apple was down 6%, Amazon 3%, Meta 2.6%, Microsoft 3.5%, Nvidia, despite Micron's beat, down 1.6%. So ugly day for the Mag 7. And this is despite yields falling after the PCE data, which, while high, was lower than expected. So it can be interpreted as a beat. So the 10-year Treasury yields were pressured after that. And still, we could not get going on the market. Other than if you were in AI and specifically SanDisk or Micron and a few other names. Changing my gaze to Bitcoin, per AI research, and I double checked this, but there's no real way to tell this metric. I basically wanted to know where short-term holders are, where their cost basis is for Bitcoin. And AI searched the short-term holder realized price across all platform data that they can access, and it spat out about 49,249, and Bitcoin is now under 60,000 at 59 and change. So we're only $10,000 away from the average hold price for short-term retail traders. We're already below Michael Saylor's average price. So that's a concern because he remains to be the biggest buyer and potentially the biggest seller. If we get to 50-ish thousand, probably a little bit before then, many of these retail traders are going to be wondering, why did I hold while the entire market is in bull mode on the AI side?
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.